Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video I'll show you how you can use Google Assistant without pressing home button. Actually there are two ways you can use Google Assistant without this home button. If you press and hold, this Google Assistant will pop up. That is one case. And in this tutorial I'm showing without that home button pressing how you can access Google Assistant. One way is through assistant. If you give the voice command like hey Google, it will pop up provided if you have already set voice match. How you can set the voice match? You need to go to your phone settings, then on the phone settings just search as Google Assistant. Okay, search. This will open. Yeah, okay, I'm sorry, it is hey Google. Yeah, see here, hey Google. Sorry, it is not Google Assistant, it is hey Google, and it is currently turned off. You need to enable this. What this option does is when you say hey Google to your phone, it will recognize your voice, and without pressing any home button Google Assistant will pop up. Okay, you need to train your voice. Okay
Google, what's the weather tomorrow? You, okay, Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey, Google, make a call. Hey, Google, remind me to water my plant every Monday.
see, this is how you need to set up your hey Google voice. Then okay, now you're set up with the voice Google Assistant commands. You can say hey Google and you can ask anything Google Assistant. See here, when I said hey Google without pressing any button, it is pop up. See, it is again coming. Okay, another way is again click on phone settings. Now search for Google Assistant or the system navigation. Just search as system navigation, you will get the system navigation. You can click on gestures. Yeah, once the gestures is turned on, it will open Google Assistant by swiping from this corner to the top. When you swipe from these corners, Google Assistant will pop up. See here, from this corner. And now I didn't press any home button, but with the swipe of the corner from bottom to top, from this corners of the screen, with the gestures, Google Assistant is being opened. This is in the two ways you can open Google Assistant without pressing on home screen. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a day.